Crack open the vault of perception psychology with 3 compelling laws that shape how we view the world. First up, the law of proximity. This principle suggests that objects near each other tend to be perceived as a group. Picture a flock of birds soaring against the sky. We see them as one, not as individuals. Next, the law of closure. Our minds are excellent at filling in gaps. Imagine a broken circle. Even with pieces missing, we still perceive it as a whole circle. It's a testament to our brain's ability to create a complete image from incomplete information. Finally, the law of good form or figure. In the law of good form, the stimuli that form a good shape are grouped together. This grouping is done according to 5 principles. Law of continuation. It is the perceptual tendency to see all the parts of a figure as a good continuation. Our brain tracks down continuation among figures. Law of symmetry. It is the tendency to perceive things in a symmetrical form. Symmetrical forms are tending to be perceived easily. Symmetry is a balanced connectedness of the elements. Law of closure. Closure is the perceptual tendency to fill the gaps and perceive the figure as the whole. Law of common direction. In perceptual organization, it is the tendency to group together elements because of their common direction. Law of common region. Sometimes we tend to include all the parts to form a whole picture due to inclusiveness. These laws guide our perception, helping us make sense of the world around us. So next time you're out and about, take a moment to appreciate your brain's hard work. It's truly a marvel.